Here we got a 66 Plymouth Satellite with a 440 Magnum, 375 horse. It actually puts out 410 horse. And they got these exhaust manifolds like that on the high performance versus the 350 horse, which I don't know what the 350 horse probably puts out, like 380 horse or something. And you can tell it's a 440 because you see that right there? That block? That when it's like that, that tells you it's a 440. If it's a 383, it's like it's got a divot in there or something, you know. But it basically looks the same. So anyway, you got you know, same old deal like MSD ignition. Let's see what the hell. Hopefully this freaking music don't freaking YouTube don't cank this video because that damn music pissed me off with your bullshit. You know, by the way, maybe it's not, but that's a live band. Never mind. It sounded like it's them playing over. They're actually playing that shit. I thought it was a real one. You know how YouTube is. They say, hey, you can't play the music in the background. Anyway, AM FM radio, which is pretty rare back then. Look at an FM. You know what they used to do back in way back? At an FM converter, you install under the dash for your AM radio. A converter, FM converter. I don't know, you'd have to tune it to a certain station on AM, and then you can use your FM converter. So it's got a tachometer on there. This thing goes, man. The 440. Yeah, fuel fillers right there. That's a good spot for it too, man. It's cool with the pop. This is a nice looking car, man. This is, you know, it's kind of weird how Mopar got so ignored during this era. You know, Chevy and Ford were so outselling them, and I'm thinking, Mopars in the 60s were great cars, man. Yeah, that's back when Detroit was making good stuff and Detroit was mainly Caucasian, you know what I mean? You ever figure that out too? Man, look at that interior, man. It's very nice. I wonder if it came like that with this sculpted stuff like that in there. This looks very original except for the MSD ignition. Very, very original. That'd be a good place to put some fog lights in there too, right there, you know. Sweet ride, man. Very sweet.